Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum. I'm Rubai Singh again with you. Today is a big day for me because today I'm going to announce that I launched my YouTube channel, but no videos yet, no subscribers yet, and no likings yet. So I'm waiting for it. I'm going to shoot my videos and I will upload it. This video only the announcement that I launched my YouTube channel. The name is Liju Baba 13. Liju is my nickname. Baba is just like funny thing. So Liju Baba 13 is my name on the YouTube channel. And the banner name, the Chalk Talk. Chalk Talk means the life lessons. What I captured, what I gathered in my life, the experiences, I will deliver it to you. Actually, this YouTube channel is about three aspects. Three things right now I'm focusing on it. Three things. Number one, food promotion and food review. Number two, health tips. How would you stay fit and stay healthy in your entire life until your last breath, until your death? And number three is motivational talking. What I gathered in my life, what I understand, what is my life hypothesis, the thoughts on life, I will deliver it to you. So I think it's not so funny channel. What's that entertainment? Actually, I'm serious on it. What I will deliver, what I actually think about my life, what I see and in my own way, I will deliver it to you. I hope you will like it. So this is the announcement. This is only the video that I'm going to announce it. And with this video, you will get the banner name, you will get the link name for this video. So it's big day for me. I'm just shooting here, but not so much sunshine over there. So I'm just around my apartment. So I'm going to announce it. So it will be the first video, and a lot of videos are coming. And I hope you will appreciate me, and you will like me, you will subscribe me, and I will go more, I will go further. Okay, thank you so much. I think enough for today, and see you continuously, and take care. Bye, wish me luck, and wait for the videos.